Hi, today's stock market end of the day analysis. For more update, subscribe to our channel. Index snapshot. The Nifty 50 index ended up 1.28% at 14,744 and BSE Sensex rose 1.3% to 49,858.24. Earlier in the session, the Sensex and Nifty shot up to 1.43% and 1.28% respectively. Sector performance. Nifty energy sector ended up in positive, that is 3.16%. Nifty FMCG sector up by 2.43%. Nifty metal sector up by 2.08%. And Nifty realty sector down by 0.53%. Top 5 F&O gainers and losers. Top 5 F&O gainers are ICRA, Just Dial, RT Drugs, IDBI and M&M Finance, where losers are Freetime, Future Consumer, Rajesh Export, Westlife and PFC. Some of the volume shockers are Credit ACC, HKL, ITC, Star, ICRA, RT Drugs and Indus Tower. Results on 19th March 2021. There were no results as of 19th. Some of the dividend and bonus stocks. Ambuja Cement Limited issued dividend of 1 rupees per share and Power Finance Corporation issued dividend of 1 rupees per share. Market information. India's coronavirus infections surged to more than 3-month high on Friday, led by record daily increase in western state of Maharashtra, where authorities have adopted fresh curbs to restrain the spread of disease. US bond yields on Friday edged off the 14-month highs reached the day before. India's two main stock exchanges posted their first weekly decline in 3 on fresh surge in domestic COVID-19 cases and rising US bond yields. Indian shares recovered from early losses to end higher on Friday in volatile session, as a pullback in US Treasury yields from 14 months highs brought back some risk appetite into the market, while has fallen nearly 2% this week. Equity research advisor said that there is some minor correction in US bond yields and market is appreciating that the Nifty was in oversold zone and there is some recovery there as well as some short covering. Shares of multiplex operator, that is PVR Limited, and smaller rival Inex Leisure Limited fell as much 6.7% and 5.4% respectively, after Maharashtra made RTCR COVID-19 test report mandatory for people entering shopping malls. Future group companies including Future Retail and Future Consumer dropped nearly 10% each. Thanks for watching. For subscribing our channel, click the below link.